Hello, welcome to Mark's Ketovore Recipes. Every Tuesday, I would like to release a video of a recipe that falls in the Ketovore eating plan. I'm re-recording this intro because it's Chile Relleno soup, Spanish. And it has the two L's next to each other, so I think it's pronounced with the Y sound. So Chile Relleno. Sorry, Spanish speakers. It's chili. I thought the way it was spelled, I thought it was chili from the country Chile, but no, it is a Mexican recipe. It's just um, the chili is spelled Spanish for chilies, as in peppers. So yeah, and it's interesting that it has roasted poblano peppers. That's the first time I've roasted peppers in a recipe. So let me go ahead and show you what's all in it. And here's all what's in it. Um, Starting off with 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 4 poblano peppers, some olive oil, 6 cups of chicken broth, 16 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces, two 4 ounces ounce cans of diced green chilies, 2 cups of shredded cheddar, 1 yellow onion diced up, 6 cloves of garlic, 4 tablespoons of fresh cilantro, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of pepper. So it's going to be interesting. I've never roasted poblano peppers before. I've never roasted any peppers before. So let's go ahead and get started. Starting off with presetting the oven for 450. So what I'm going to do now is just cover the poblano peppers in olive oil and bake at 450 for 7 to 10 minutes. So I'll get those covered. The instructions say to 10 minutes or until the skin looks charred. They don't really look charred other than that part right up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate them over with those tongs here and let them cook for another 10 minutes. All right, I'm not sure if those are charred enough, but I have stuff to do. So what I'm going to do now is move them over to this bowl, and then I'll cover them and let those rest for a while. All right, now that they've cooled off, I'll go ahead and peel the skins off. That is a very satisfying feeling. Anyway, I'll peel the skins off and then get the seeds and stems out and stuff. Chop up the peppers. All right, got the peppers all chopped up, so now I'll put the chicken thighs into the slow cooker here. And now for the cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. Just sprinkle that over the top. Now the onion, the peppers, the garlic, and now for the green chilies. Now I'll get the cream cheese chopped up into chunks to put them into the slow cooker. Got the cream cheese in there. Now for a couple bay leaves. Finally, the chicken broth. Get that mixed up. So I'll let that cook on high for about 3 hours. You can also do low for about 6 hours. Okay, that's been going for 3 hours now. So now to get the bay leaves out, have to take out the chicken. Just put those in there, and so you can get the chicken all shredded up. I'm just gonna use a pair of forks to shred out the chicken. As I shred each of the chicken thighs, I'll put them back into the pot and let that cook for 5 more minutes. And now to add the cheese, and I'll add that little bits at a time and stir it up so the cheese can melt inside. Handfuls at a time, and then mix it up. Kind of curious how the cheese is going to react in there I hope it's not going to all just curdle up. Okay, and that's the finished product. I'm going to naturally let it cool off a bit, turn it off, and let it cool off a bit before putting it in bowls. All right, and that's what it looks like all bowled up. I made it to the measurements as the thing says, but it's not something that usually happens. 8 full bowls with more extra. Um, Not enough extra to make another bowl full, but I think when I put them in the freezer bags, I think I'll put a little bit extra of that broth in each of the bags. Anyway, that's what it looks like. I'll let it cool off a little bit more before doing the taste test. Um, for as long as it took to cook, I probably could have looked up the proper pronunciation of Relleno. Relleno? Oh well. It smells really good. It smells really peppery and oniony. But yeah, that's what's in it. So probably let it cool down a little bit more. A little too much cilantro. The chicken absorbed the cilantro, pepper, onion taste. So yeah, not a bad combination. But roasting the poblanos is kind of annoying. Took way too long. Anyway, not bad. Nothing to turn down. For a slow cooker recipe, the extra step of roasting the poblano peppers was kind of annoying. Anyway, yeah, that didn't turn out bad. Anyway, thanks for watching. Every Tuesday, I want to share a recipe that follows the Ketovore eating plan. So, like, share, and subscribe, and have a nice day.